Getting instant statistics about your poll results is a great help to you that significantly reduces your workload. By using the Frontend Statistics shortcode, you can display the daily, weekly, monthly, and overall statistics of a poll on the front end. To find the Frontend Statistics shortcode, we need to go to the General Settings page, Shortcodes tab, and scroll down a little bit. Here is our shortcode. As you can see, there are no settings configuration you need to have for the shortcode, so it's very easy to use. All you need to do is to change the Your Poll ID and paste the shortcode in your desired page or a post. In order to find the poll ID, you need to go to the All Polls page, and here you can see the ID of the poll. Let's check the shortcode on the front end. As you can see, I have already inserted the shortcode in our post. So we save the changes to check the shortcode on the front end. Here is our front end and the shortcode displayed there. As you can see, the shortcode includes daily, weekly, monthly, and overall statistics of the poll. Here we can check the daily statistics, weekly, monthly, and overall statistics of the poll. That's all. Now you have your poll result statistics visualized and ready for you to analyze.